Napaka-aesthetic ng area na to. Lalo na siguro kapag spring. Kasi yan to, ang linis eh. Kasi ang ganda dito yung Han River, ginagawang river for cruising, Philippines when. Sana malinis din natin yung Pasig, no? Yung Ilog Pasig. I noticed, mga halmoni yung nasa cafe.
Ito yan sila. If may bahay sila malapit dito, ibig sabihin na mayaman talaga.
Ah, okay. Kaya mga mayamang mga yamang halmoni.
Yeah, mga may-ari ng mga real estate dito sa Seoul.
Oh my gosh.
Yan sila yan.
So this is more stunning during spring. Lahat ay cherry blossom.
Build your own dream or someone else will hire you to build their dream.
Our job, it's just a fraction of our life. Your life isn't defined by what you do. This is the Lotte World Tower. The tallest building in Korea, guys. Annyeong, guys! Kumusta kayong lahat? This is Dave, the Kuripo Traveler. At nandito pa rin tayo sa Seoul, South Korea. Specifically dito sa Hongdae area. Open-minded ba kayo, guys? Charing. Alam niyo yon. Si Sean Solo, the Hongdae guy. Talagang nag-viral yung yung encounter ko with him nung nasa Myeongdong tayo. Wild. Almost 1 million views na yun sa TikTok. Speaking of TikTok, follow nyo me sa TikTok, guys. And Instagram, pangalan ko lang, Dave Kino. Ayun. So today, pupunta tayo sa Jamsil area. Kasi imimit ko yung friend kong si Minmin. Na-meet natin siya last time. Ngayon, imimit ulit natin siya. Nung last time nagpunta tayo sa Korea, sa Jamsil area din. So doon na tayo yung meet up point namin kasi yun yung parang gitna namin eh. Jamsil area. So yung Jamsil, nandun yung modern Seoul and at the same time may mga natural na landscape. In fact, nandun yung tallest building in Korea, which is the Lotte Tower? Lotte World Tower? Teka lang. Tama. Dinouble check ko yung pangalan. Lotte World Tower. The tallest tower in Korea. Nagpunta na rin tayo doon last time. Tapos yung Seoul Sky na observatory, like may 360-degree na view ng Seoul from above. Ang ganda nun. And then Lotte World Adventure, the world's biggest indoor amusement park. And then may cutie doon na. Tapos Sokcho Lake. Never pa ako nag-Sokcho Lake, guys. Tapos punta tayo sa isang cafe doon. If you will travel in the Philippines, Korea, or anywhere else in the world, you can book your travel items, tours, hotels on Klook and use my promo code DaveGinoKlook for discount. You can also book your hotels on Agoda and use my promo code DaveAgoda, capital letters yan na, for 10% off on hotels. For activities naman on Agoda, you can use my promo code KuripoTAgoda for 5% off on activities. Iko-comment ko yung links na mga pwede ninyong mabook sa comment section. 5 PM, imimit ko yung colleagues ko. So, it will be a long day. So, si Minmin nag-recommend siya ng isang cafe na may overlooking view ng Sokchon Lake. For today's video, sasamahan nyo rin akong sumakay ng subway. So, from Hongdae, baba natin ay Jamsil Station. Alright? Medyo late na ako nagising kasi late na rin tayo umuwi kagabi from Myeongdong. Ayan, pasok na tayo dito. So, ang kailangan talaga natin here, T-Money card. So, itap lang natin. Ayun. So, ang gamit ko ngayon na T-Money card ay tinatawag na Wow Pass. So, it also serves as a debit card. So, bigay ito sa atin ng Korea Tourism Organization. Kasama natin yung KTO and other creators talaga sa first leg ng trip natin dito sa Korea. So, ngayon, punta tayo sa Line 2. Naver Maps yung BFF natin. Sanad ni Rina yung link ng cafe. Tara. Parang nasa around 60 pesos yung minimum fare ng transportation dito sa Seoul. Ang convenient ng transpo dito. Tara, Line 2. And then, syempre, susundan lang natin yung mga signs. Diba, Line 2 tayo. Tapos, ito yung gamit natin. It's Naver Maps. So, this is essential, okay? Ascension Station bound. Makita sa Naver Maps kung saang platform kayo dapat pumunta. So, from Hongik University Station, baba tayo sa Jamsil. Then, labas ng exit 2. Then, lalakarin pa pala. Kung oras kayo tayo makakarating, 12:03. Oh my gosh. Pogi. Worldwide handsome. Kita nyo ba? Medyo malayo-layo eh. Ito, dahil Sinchon tayo, dito tayo. Ano to? Yung Hongdae Station. Okay? Hongik University Station. Tara. Yeah. Here as Pasinchon. 11-11 Wish. Sana mapuntahan nyo rin ang Korea very soon. Or kung saang destination man yung pangarap ninyong puntahan. Ito na yung train natin. So from here, I think from here sa station, mga less than an hour, papunta sa Jamsil Station. Alright, nakababa na tayo guys. So labas natin ang exit number 2. Nakalagay din yan sa Naver Maps kung anong exit. This is Jamsil Station. Ayun, Sokchon Lake. Dito tayo. Pinakamaganda daw ang Sokchon Lake tuwing spring. Okay. Papunta doon, Lotte World. Dito din Lotte World. Nasa around Lotte World area na tayo, guys. I think Lotte World Mall na to. Lotte World Mall. Siyempre, nandito din sa Jamsil, yung sikat na Jamsil Stadium. Jamsil talaga, di ba? Jamsil. Pero kasi di ba yung SI nila ay SH yung pronunciation. Chaunwoo. Yung first ever nag-viral ko sa YouTube, yung kumanta siya ng Katang Iship. 2019. Yeah, 2019. Baliw na baliw ako kay Chaunwoo nun eh. Wait, exit 2, nasaan ka? Ayan yung Lotte World Mall. Nandun yung bus transfer center. I think dito tayo sumakay no, nung tayo. Suwon, nag-bus. Wait, nalilito ako. Ditong exit number 2. Diretso lang. Pumunta kasi ako sa may Lotte World Mall eh. Oh my God. The weather, it's warm. Tara. Labas na tayo dito sa exit number 2, then lakad. Ito yung Lotte World Mall. Lakad tayo pa cafe. Ito yung nirecommend ni Rina na cafe na maganda daw. So here we are. Snack lang tayo doon. Wow! Welcome! Welcome to Jamsil! Wow! Parang ibang lupalop to ng daigdig, guys. This is the Lotte World Tower. The tallest building in Korea, guys. Nasa top 10 din to eh, ng tallest building. Nakalimutan ko lang pang ilan. So, this is Lotte World Tower. Nasa loob na tayo. This is the 6th tallest building in the world. Feeling ko malapit na rin naman tayo. Nagtanong tayo sa guard dito. Sokchon Lake. So, mga an hour away ito. Okay? Sa Hongdae, siguro sa Myeongdong din. Ganon. Malayo-layo siya. This is a different vibe, an experience of Seoul. Tara. Ito na ba yun? Uy, ang saya naman. Dito sa labas ng tower, may pa-park. Tapos, ito may pa 3D na billboard. Ayun, J-Bout Coffee. Yan yung nire-reco ni Minmin. Tara, cafe muna tayo dito. The 6th tallest building in the world. Wow! So yan na yung lake, Sokchon Lake. Ito yung nakakatuwa, magkaroon ng friends sa Korea kasi pwedeng may i-meet ka, 'di ba? Mamaya meet din natin yung teammates natin. 11 AM siya nagbubukas itong J-Bout Cafe. I mean, J-Bout Coffee. Ito yung area niya. Yeah, this is the area. Nasa may likod lang siya ng Lotte Towers. Feeling ko ang ganda dito. Tara. No outside food or drink. Ano nga sa'yo? Oh my gosh. Wow. It's nice here. Uy, ang ganda. My gosh. I love it here. Tara, order na tayo. Smoothie.
Smoothie?
Yes.
Do you drink in here?
Ah, yeah.
You can put your card in here.
Cake nila, nasa 406 pesos. Drinks lang order ko now kasi kakain din tayo ng lunch with Min Min. So, yung in-order natin, of course, it's the signature drink. It's 376.81 pesos. Nag-ano siya agad eh. Nag-notify. Kung makikita nyo, ito. Oops. Nag-notify siya agad. Ayan, 376. So, card lang tayo ng card, debit card. Tapos, nagkaka-cashback naman tayo. So, yung vibe dito. Meron din naman silang ibang pastries. So, from 5,001, nasa 207 yan, or 8. Nako, paano pronunciation ito? Pain out chocolate? Charing. Hindi ko sure. And then, sausage pastry. Magkano ba yung sausage pastry nila? 7.3. Ito. Tiered 2.50 pesos. Di ba Clego lagi dito? So, di dito nilalagay yung mga pinagkainan natin. Return sa staff. Maganda dito yung view niya ng Sokchon Lake. It's nice. Sa baba, may walkway, may path where people just walk. Siguro maganda dito mag-jogging ng umaga. Never ko pa yung na-experience dito sa Korea, mag-jogging ng umaga. Parang gusto ko siyang i-endeavor one of these days. Tutunog na lang to. Okay, antay na lang natin tong tumunog. Sa'yo mag-people watch sa Seoul kasi ang daming cutie. Charing. Hindi siya applicable sa lahat, pero ang daming cutie. It's nice. It's nice here. Tumutunog na siya. Let's go. Ito na yung ating drink. Their signature smoothie. Diba? Napaka-aesthetic ng area na to. Lalo na siguro kapag spring. Kasi famous laging Sokchon Lake for the spring. Tapos dati pala part to ng Han River. Yung Sokchon Lake. Ang serene. As a solo traveler tayo guys. Nag-photoshoot. Oops, paano ba? Saan ba? Ayan, nag-photoshoot tayo. So, ito yung essentials kapag solo traveler. This, and of course, your camera. Kasi wala tayong taga-picture. So, nagagamay ko na siya. Yung paggamit ng tripod. I love it. Dati kasi di ako comfortable ng tripod eh. I mean, di ako comfortable sa tripod before. Yeah. I like the vibe here. Nasa labas tayo kahit warm siya. Kasi mas feel ko yung vibe dito sa labas. Like, we're just soaking it all in. Yung vibe dito sa Sokcho Lake. Sarap. Pili ko may cola siya. Akala ko yung smoothie, as in yung smoothie na parang shake. My gosh, di ko napakita. Wait lang. Hindi ko napakita, pero may duck. Look. May duck. Wait lang. Nalunod yung duck. Pero duck yan. Nalunod na siya. Dito ba yon yung naglalagay silang malaking duck? Or di ko sure kung duck din yan. Yung in-expect ko lang na smoothie ay yung parang milkshake. Siguro mag-cafe na lang din tayo after natin mag-lunch with Min Min. Yung mga nag-jog like at 1. Again, ito yung maganda sa Korea, no? Yung may Sokcho Lake. It's in the middle of the city. Pero, yung greens, actually generally yung Seoul, yung mga puno, nandyan pa rin. Kaya kahit it's a warm day, mahangin pa rin. Warm na yung weather ngayon eh. It's June 19. 19 na ba? Yeah, June 19. The weather is warmer. It's a bright and sunny day here in Seoul. Pero mahangin. Windy. And pinakagusto ko talaga isa sa mga pinakagusto kong activity, yung nagka-cafe hopping. Kasi doon tayo mas nakakapag-relax, upo-upo lang, just appreciating the view. Inantay ko pala si Minmin. Sabi nakababa na siya ng station. Kahit yung river nila, ang linis. Itong lake malinis. The way the government maintains. Ang nice. The citizens as well, disciplined. Ganun. May disiplina. Kaya, sayang to ang linis eh. Diba? Sana malinis din natin yung Pasig, no? Yung Ilog Pasig. The iconic Ilog Pasig. Kasi ang ganda dito yung Han River, ginagawang river for cruising, for cruise. Similar sa Bangkok, yung Chao Phraya River nila. Philippines when. I love the Philippines, but these are just my honest, thoughts. Pag nakapag-travel tayo, nakikita talaga natin yung difference. But I love the Philippines. The people there, yung mga Pilipino, yan yung mga pinaka-heartwarming. Yan yung mga pinaka-warm and friendliest people that I've known. Kahit yung mga foreigners na nami-meet ko sa mga travels, they really love the Philippines because of the people. Dito na si Minmin. Okay, our friend, Sonsing Nim. Rina Sonsing Nim.
Na-shock lang ako nung mga comments sa
Saan?
sa YouTube. Di ba merong mahaba super comment?
Ay, oo.
Tapos sinend mo sa akin.
Oo.
Yeah. I'm happy lang na kahit for a short time lang tayo nag-meet, may mga na-inspire ganon.
Yeah.
Kasi parang, how can I say, malaman yung episode mo na yun. Tapos maraming tayong pinag-usapan. Yeah. I like those kind of interaction na pag-uusapan about life, mga ganon. Yeah.
Pa-recap, yung pinag-usapan natin doon. Para sa mga hindi nakapanood ng vlog.
Yung Oreno.
Yung mga sinasabi mo. Kasi baka first time yung makita si Rina Sonsing Nim. She's a teacher.
And, okay, that time, hindi pa ako skincare live streamer that time. We met October. Then November, I started working with Mediheal. Okay, wait.
Ano yung Mediheal?
Mediheal is a skincare company dito sa Korea. So, ito yung surprise.
Wait, hindi ka na Sonsing Nim?
Both.
Ay, you're doing okay lang naman.
Okay,
Lumabas
like,
dito.
Oo lang, okay
Okay.
naman. So, teacher ako. And at the same time, doing live stream, host for TikTok, Mediheal. Yeah. Tapos, yung nakashock pa dito, okay, when I started live streaming, may mga nagsasabi, familiar ka. Tapos, di ba sabi ko, I'm a private person. Sabi ko, the only time ako nag-public is with you.
Oh my
Tapos
God,
sabi ko,
it's
wait.
an honor.
Oo, tapos sabi ko, okay, I feel like alam ko yung ibig niyong sabihin. Kilala niyo ba si Dave Gino? Lahat sila, mga 3 or 4 people. Viewer ako ni Dave Gino, kaya ka pala familiar. Small world, no? Imagine. Imagine.
Oh my
This is a
gosh.
Mediheal, Korean skin. Yeah, Mediheal. They're famous for vitamin C and mga
okay.
mask. Okay, anyway. So yun, tapos maraming bumili ng products kasi viewer ka daw nila. Sabi,
Ay,
okay,
grabe.
mag-yellow basket. Sabi ko, ano yung collaboration? Like, unintended collaboration.
Yeah.
Yeah, I was like, small world talaga. Sabi nila, oo, pinanood ko yung Oreno Ramen. Tapos sabi ko, okay, yeah, that's the only time ako lumabas sa vlog mo. Tapos andun sila sa live stream TikTok. Small world. Mga
Amazing.
3-4 people yun. Tapos natatawa lang talaga ako. Tapos yun, wala lang, small world indeed. So yeah, so far, yun. Tapos yeah, overall, happy naman din. Medyo busy lang. But yeah, of course, always make time for friends.
Thank
So
you.
yun.
Napaya nag-message ka. Ay, salamat. Nakikitaon ko. Like, in this trip. So, wala ka na work like today?
Today, may dako actually, the reason bakit hanggang 6 lang ako is sa 7, mag-tutor naman ako.
Oh,
Busy.
grabe. Umappearance sa vlog. Pero, ang dami ginagawa ni Rina Sonsing Nim. So, live streamer, teacher, tutor, and you still have time to meet with friends.
Yeah, always For me,
breather.
priority ko talaga friends and family. Pumunta ka ba California? Pumunta ka
Yeah,
ba?
yeah, yeah,
Okay, yeah.
California.
So I had relatives visit from LA 2 weeks ago because I showed them around then. So if friend or family comes to visit, I always like take a leave if possible or like allocate, okay, saan yung time na wala akong klase, then I will meet. Yeah, it's always my priority for me. More than finance is family and friends. Then finance na parang ganun yung priorities ko. Yeah.
Same. Like every time may nag-chat-chat na friend, for example, ibang bansa, uy, let's meet. I'd really also make time. I think it's a different also experience, like meeting friends while abroad. Like you feel in one way or another at home. I noticed mga harmony yung nasa cafe. Like, ibang-iba sa cafe sa...
Pinas.
Pati sa, actually, Iksundong.
Okay, but
Retirees.
for what it's worth, ito yan sila. If may bahay sila malapit dito, ibig sabihin na mayaman talaga.
Okay.
Yun lang parang
Kaya mga
gets ba?
mayamang
Oo,
mga mayamang harmony.
Yeah, mga may-ari ng mga real estate dito sa Seoul.
Oh my
yeah.
gosh.
Sila yan, yeah.
Sila yan.
Parang hindi na kailangan kumayad para mabuhay. Parang, okay.
Kasi mahal yung ano dito, real estate in
Definitely.
Jamsil,
Jamsil, yeah. I mean, this is the tallest building in
Korea. Lotte Tower. Correct.
Yun. When we met last time, maulan nun.
Aya,
Kaya nagramin kami. Pero ngayon, maingat, magpapasta.
papasta.
Tapos naalala niya after 8 months yung akin ko.
Of course. Comfort food, pasta. Tara. Inside the mall?
Yeah, inside the mall. Yeah.
Okay. Ganda dito. So weekend, maraming tao dito.
But weekday, not so much.
Okay. Unlike sa,
Myeongdong
I think
or
all through,
Pyongyang.
kahit anong araw, ang daming tao.
Yeah, Myeongdong and Hongdae, kahit anong
Myeongdong,
oras,
Hongdae.
maraming tao. Dito, sabihin natin, kung marami sa Myeongdong scale of 5, dito mga 3.5 or 4 lang yung dami,
Yung dami ng tao.
Oo. Kaya I like here.
Mm-mm.
You have space to breathe.
Right, yun yung pansin ko. Maliwalas.
Yeah.
Iba pa to sa Gangnam, no?
Yeah, Gangnam, mga 4 or 5 stations after lang. Gangnam naman is, you know, as Gangnam style. It's like, sabihin natin sa Pinas, it's the, baka Makati, yeah. Makati yung Gangnam.
Makati ang
Tapos
Gangnam.
dito, ano bang sunod ng Makati?
Siguro BGC din.
Is it BGC in Taguig? Taguig siya, no?
Taguig.
So, Taguig dito. Yeah, parang
Okay.
ganun. Yeah.
Makati and BGC. So, comparison ng Gangnam and Jamsil. Lotte World Mall, no?
Yeah.
Lotte World Mall.
Where we met 8 months ago.
Yeah, 8 months ago, magwa 1 year na. Grabe.
Super bilis. It was autumn nun, autumn.
Autumn.
Then winter, summer, dumaan. Tapos ngayon.
Ngayon,
Summer.
summer.
Winter,
Spring
tapos
and
ngayon.
summer. Hi.
Ito yung Oreno.
Yeah, Oreno. Yung Michelin.
Because what's
Yung ramen.
Pero we're going to another place.
Pasta place.
So yeah, going back. New York.
I think New York. Feeling ko that's the place. I think there are places na masasabi mo na, oh, I made it. You know that feeling?
Oh, yeah,
like,
yeah, that's
oh, I made it.
I'm here.
I'm here. I think it's New York. Kasi malayo siya sa Philippines. And then, mahal mag-New York. But when I was there, I was just feeling na, ano siya, culmination of all the hard work. Like, after all the travels, hard work at work, finally I made it to New York.
Fruits of your labor, child.
Fruits of your labor, correct. Yeah, but I love Korea. Like, this is the country na babalik-balikan ko talaga. Tapos, andito ka naman. Sharing.
Of course. Same age version of Tita. What do you call it? Friend.
Friend.
Good friend.
Ang favorite ni Min na restaurant.
Yeah, tasting.
It's here. Cheese room. Tasting room. Anong floor ito?
5th floor.
5th floor. Here in Lotte World. At on?
On the 5th. In Lotte World, yeah.
In Lotte World.
Or baka there's a view of
Sige. Let's go. Grabe sa Bienwoso. Kita natin lagi. Tara. Nagre-reserve ba nga? Di kailangan reservation?
Actually, pag rush hour like 12 or 1, but it's already almost 2 p.m.
Okay. 안녕하세요. Wow.
노란색 pen 한번 받아주세요.
감사합니다.
This is on me,
Oh my God. Thank you.
You have pasalubong, so...
Pwede din tayo mag-cafe like after.
Okay, sure, of
Yeah.
course. Sa'yo
Yeah.
kanyang...
Very Korean ang friend natin dito.
뭐라 그럴까요? 새우 좋아하거든요. 그냥 올리지 마세요. 안 되나요, 그럼? Anyway.
Ano yung sinasabi mo sa kanya?
Sabi ko, may food allergy ka. So kung pwede i-adjust yung mga... Yeah. So kung hindi pwede, then I'll order something else.
Kasi may masarap ka dito na may ano.
pero 좀 어려웠나요?
혹시 어떤 것도 그러세요?
네. 여기 이 친구는 새우 알레르기 있거든요. 그래서
네.
그냥 새우는 위에 넣지 말고 그냥 따로.
저희가 소스에서부터 새우가 이미 들어가기 때문에
It's called flatbread.
Bread, I thought it's pizza. This is called flatbread with spinach and tomatoes and cheese and onion. This is your favorite or first time to try?
No, it's kind of like appetizer.
Appetizer.
Healthy appetizer, yeah.
감사합니다 Rina Sonsengnim.
No pressure of eating everything. We can just take it out.
Okay, pero let's see. Ako usually nakakaubos ako eh.
Oh, really? Okay. Oh, why not?
This one is truffle, right?
Truffle, yeah.
Truffle. Same, like life is short. Okay la ako, hindi rin mag-earn in super big. Basta may dako time. And mental health. I think those two are my priorities. Mental health and time. Like for example, if my work consumes me, nawawala na time, nawawala na yung mental health, di ka na happy, I think it's time to quit. Even if it's paying you a lot. Because we're not getting any younger.
Fan kasi ako ng stationery stickers. I'm medyo childish, but whatever. It's your inner child. Then one of the stickers was saying, build your own dream, or someone else will hire you to build their dream. Diba? So it's like, maybe up until now, you've been like, working for somebody, and you've been building their dream, expanding their thing. So you'd come to think, why am I investing all this time and energy for someone else when I could have just invested this to my own, right? So, yeah, goosebumps on
Right.
So yeah, I really resonated with that. Especially, as I told you, I invested 2 years of my life in that academy. Tapos tigdala, by the way, Masarad, we're gonna close next month.
Okay na to ba, share?
Okay lang. We're gonna close next month. So, sorry. I was like, what? Why are you just telling me now? I really felt I was just an equipment there. Like, na parang, okay, we're done. You can go. Oh my gosh. So, realize ko, you can be replaced, but, you need to prioritize yourself. Okay. Sobrang happiness yun. Sobrang relate.
Ito yung usapang young adult. This conversation tells me na at work, no matter how you work hard, you're disposable. Replaceable. We can be replaced. Our job, it's just a fraction of our life. Di ka dapat hilain pababa ng trabaho mo. Kasi your life isn't defined by what you do. And yeah, you're easily replaceable at work. Of course, having money is important. Pero there are things that truly matter. 찰먹었습니다.
Good. 잘 먹었습니다.
찰먹었습니다. And before we eat, 찰먹게습니다. Oh my gosh, ngayon ko lang yun nalaman. Okay, 찰먹겠습니다, 찰먹었습니다. Happiness is a perfume you cannot pour on others without getting a few drop on yourself. Happiness is the perfume you cannot pour on others without getting a few drops on yourself.
Medyo dito.
Binasa ko ulit. Pero ang explanation lang naman ni Rina, when we're together,
When you're happy being with people,
when you're happy being with people,
you can't help but be happy yourself.
감사합니다. Ito naman from the Philippines.
감사합니다. 잘 먹겠습니다.
잘 먹겠습니다. 감사합니다 too for the sumptuous lunch. Let's go.
May gusto ka bang props or plain lang?
May props ba sila?
Oh, yan o. Mga props. Like this na lang, no?
Yep.
Okay.
Photo booth experience.
Tapos, for 2 people? Okay. Yan.
Okay.
Okay, anong gusto mo? Ikaw napili.
Gusto ko yung shocked. Gusto ko yung... Okay, tigdalawa kita. Pili kitang tigdalawa. I love this. The
Okay,
fears.
yung fears. Okay. Yung smile, I think okay naman yung color ng...
Ito na lang.
Okay, yeah.
Yan.
Kasi green yung background. Okay na? Good.
Okay na.
Okay.
Photos namin. Favorite ko yung shock.
Yung shot.
Yung shock.
Parang ano yun.
First choice.
Horror comedy.
Ito talaga yung hilig naman Koreano, no?
Oh, yeah.
Mga photo booth. So this is more stunning during spring.
Yeah, kasi lahat to is cherry blossom.
Lahat ay cherry blossom.
And green siya.
Ang ganda. Ganda ni Rina. Charing. Tara.
Buyag. Siring pa ha. Why? Buyag.
Change location with Minmin.
Very
I love
by chance
it.
lang namin nakita.
Anong name?
The Baum. It's, wait lang. The Baum.
Baun na siya.
The
Ay.
Baum.
Baum?
Baum.
B-A-U-M.
Yeah, wala silang print.
Walang print. Baum.
B-A-U-M, yeah.
Cafe
Ayan.
Baum.
Yan.
Cafe Baum. B-A-U-M. Malapit siya sa Gyeongbokgung. Okay? Wala lang kami sa may Jamsil area, Sokchon. It's nice there if you want also to relax, surrounded by buildings. I think parang mas breather dito kay walang tall buildings. Di ka na overwhelmed sa tall buildings.
That's true.
Mas simple. Mas a person ka rin.
Yeah, definitely.
Yun guys, our experience. Nandito na tayo sa may Gyeongbokgung area. But, ipakita ko naman sa inyo, diba? Yung pwede nyong puntahan, aside from the touristy spots, Myeongdong, Hongdae, ay yung Jamsil area. Okay, the Jamsil area where you can experience the Sokchon Lake, Lotte World Mall, and malapit lang din daw yung Gangnam doon. Thank you din kay Minmin for spending the day with us in Jamsil. Siya yung nag-recommend sa akin na Jamsil area kasi yun din yung middle point namin kasi Hongdae ako tapos siya medyo malayo-layo pa. Super chill yung vibe doon as compared sa mga tourist spots dito sa may City Hall area, sa part na to ng Korea. So this is Dave guys, the Kuripot Traveler. Let's live our best lives. Bye-bye!